Welcome back to USA Car Reviews, the channel where we explore the most exciting, luxurious and legendary cars shaping the roads of today and tomorrow. In this video, we're diving deep into a name that carries serious history and prestige, the all-new 2026 Cadillac Eldorado. This is not just a car, it's a revival of an American icon, reimagined for a new generation while staying true to the bold spirit that made the Eldorado a legend. The moment you look at the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado, you can tell Cadillac wanted this car to make a statement. The design is long, wide, and unapologetically confident. The sharp LED lighting, aggressive front grille, and smooth body lines give it a futuristic presence, while subtle retro cues pay respect to the classic Eldorados of the past. Cadillac has perfectly balanced modern luxury with old, school American grandeur, making this car stand out in a world full of low-quality sedans and SUV. Step inside the 2026 Eldorado and you are greeted by an interior that feels more like a luxury lounge than a traditional car cabin. Premium leather, real wood or carbon fiber trims, and precision stitching are wherever you look. The dashboard is dominated by a massive curved digital display that blends the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless experience. Cadillac's latest user interface is smooth, fast, and intuitive, offering navigation, entertainment, and vehicle controls at your fingertips. Ambient lighting throughout the cabin adds to the upscale vibe, especially at night. Comfort has always been a key part of the Eldorado name, and the 2026 model takes it to the next level. The seats are wide, lush, and designed for long-distance cruising. Heated, ventilated, and massaging seats come standard on higher trims, making every drive feel effortless. Rear passengers also get generous legroom and premium features, proving that this car isn't just about the driver, it's about everyone inside enjoying the journey. Under the hood, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado delivers power that matches its bold looks. Depending on the configuration, Cadillac offers a high-performance hybrid powertrain and an advanced all-electric option. The hybrid setup combines a powerful engine with electric assistance, delivering smooth acceleration and impressive efficiency. The electric Eldorado, on the other hand, offers instant torque, whisper-quiet performance, and a driving range that makes it practical for daily use and long road trips alike. No matter which version you choose, the ride is smooth, controlled, and incredibly refined. Driving the 2026 Eldorado feels like floating on the road, thanks to Cadillac's advanced adaptive suspension system. It automatically adjusts to road conditions, ensuring maximum comfort without sacrificing handling. On the highway, this car is calm and confident, while in the city it feels surprisingly agile for its size. Cadillac has clearly focused on making the Eldorado a true luxury cruiser that still feels modern and responsive. Safety and technology are also big highlights. The 2026 Cadillac Eldorado comes packed with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and Cadillac's latest semi-autonomous driving system. These features not only make driving safer but also reduce fatigue on long journeys, which perfectly fits the Eldorado's grand touring personality. In conclusion, the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado is more than just a car, it's a statement. It represents Cadillac's vision of luxury, performance, and innovation, wrapped in a design that honors its legendary past. For those who want comfort, cutting-edge technology, and undeniable road presence, the new Eldorado delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching USA Car Reviews, and if you enjoyed this deep look at the 2026 Cadillac Eldorado, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.